Welcome to my channel, Smart Online Income. In this video, we are going to talk about Empire withdrawal deadline. Empire has given 3 days left to withdraw your X. So if after 3 days we did not withdraw, we will lose our token. So the deadline is 31st of this month, October. So we have just 3 days left. Just 3 days left from the information here. So as you can see, I have made the first withdrawal using my exchange. I use a exchange account Bybit to withdraw my main token. Now what is left here is 6,926 Bloomer on chain only. I can only do this on chain. So I'm going to use a Tonkeeper. So if you're finding any challenge here and you don't understand what they are trying to do here, this one we are doing now is on chain because exchange their withdrawal ended on the 23rd. So whoever that want to withdraw now will use on chain. So if you have Tonkeeper, this is what you're going to use. And mind you need a gas fee for your withdrawal. So you need a gas fee approximately around 0.0974 something. So if you're buying any ton, just make it 0.1 ton. It will go. With 0.1 ton, you can withdraw successfully. So I have initiated this withdrawal yesterday when I discovered that there was no ton on my Tonkeeper, so I have to leave it for now. Now I'm going to do the withdrawal. Let's start. I'll click go to claim page. Now select Airdrop. So they have 1 to 5. I'm going to choose Airdrop 5, which is this. I'm going to tap on it. Okay, it's displaying what I'm supposed to withdraw, 6,926. And another important thing is this, they stated here about that if you withdraw on chain, you will get more benefits. So even my S on my exchange, I might transfer it to on chain because I want to receive the goodies. Because I'm not selling now, I'm holding. So I will just take it to my wallet. So let's do the claim. Click claim. Okay. Make sure your wallet is connected. Requested for my okay. Let's wait for it to respond. Okay. It's loading. Why is it taking me back to S again? Give me back to the app page, Telegram. Okay, it's not going. It's still loading. Okay, ready to go now. You can see the gas fee is 0.91. Yesterday it was 0.0097. Now it's 0.0091. I think the transaction is completed. Let's go and check. I'll check my Tonkeeper also to confirm the transaction. Let's do. Okay. It has not gone through. Okay, reward claim. It is successful now, meaning we have successfully done the claim. Let me confirm from my wallet. Yes, it is here. You can see it's sitting inside my wallet. Here it is. So the transaction, the claim has been done successfully. So watch the video and follow the same process to do your own. It is not hard. Just fund your ton wallet with 0.1 ton. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. And also, there are other videos on my playlist that will interest you. Kindly watch them through. If you need further information on X, because I've done about 2 videos already in respect of this transaction. So if you are mining other projects like Mimify, which is yet to list to market, there are videos on my channels that could help you if you need any assistance. Go to my playlist and sort out the one you wish to watch. Thank you for watching. We have done the transaction successfully. This is it.